Let's talk about Quest Recovery Manager for Active Directory Disaster Recovery Edition. This product allows you to easily recover from Active Directory mistakes, corruption, and even cyber attacks. Let's hop into the 6 key benefits of the solution to help you prepare for and recover from an Active Directory incident. The first point is it is adaptable to any Active Directory disaster. You can handle any Active Directory recovery scenario, from attribute changes to sysvol corruption to even an entire Active Directory forest recovery situation. The second is an automated Active Directory forest recovery. Automate the entire Active Directory forest recovery process. Outlined by Microsoft, this is over 40 steps. This automated process allows for you to consistently execute your recovery process, keeps it on track, and gets you up and running as quickly as possible. The third is flexibility and choice. Every attack is different, and because of that, your recovery needs to be different as well. DRE allows you to choose the best method possible for your recovery to get up and running as fast as possible, whether this is a phased recovery, restoring Active Directory to a clean operating system, or a full bare metal recovery. Number 4, malware-free recovery. Eliminate the risk of malware reinfection throughout your AD recovery by scanning for malware and minimizing its hiding places. Number 5, secure AD backups. Leveraging features like secure storage, it allows you to protect your backups from malware to withstand the next ransomware attack and allow you to recover with confidence. Number 6, battle tested. Quest has been recovering Active Directory since Active Directory has existed, helping thousands of customers, including over 50% of the Fortune 100 organizations.